So what we have here is a stand that we make out of aluminum that will, with a modular microscope, infinity microscope in it. We make all of these parts at ASI in Oregon. One of our main products is our XY Piezo Z stage. This one has a 150 micron Piezo Z travel, and it can be linear encoded to have high resolution in X and Y, 20 nanometer typical resolution. We also, the system has a microscope built into it. There's a focusing section down below. There's an objective that is focused with this Z section, and has a tube lens, so it's an infinity microscope, and we can maintain focus in this system using our CRISP autofocus device. And what this does is it shines an LED onto the dielectric interface at the sample, and the reflection is used to determine the focal position. And so it's a continuous focusing system. As you scan the slide over the stage, which you can do with the joystick here if you would like, the piezo follows the contour of the stage, and you can see the position changing slightly as it maintains focus. So one of the advantages of this system is that it's a microscope without a microscope. You can configure it to your needs. So we have various fluorescence beam splitter cubes you can put in here. Fluorescent light source can go on the back side. If you wish to have different magnifications from your objective to match your camera, we have tube lenses that are either 200 millimeter with Nikon tube lenses, or Achromat tube lenses from 100 millimeters to 400 millimeters. It will work with anybody's camera, so it's a very flexible system. We have the ability to have a second optical layer underneath here, so you can have multiple camera ports. Our CRISP system can be located either directly in the optical path right at the C-mount. This is a C-mount device, so it goes right at the camera port. And the CRISP system will also work on any regular microscope. For instance, all the major brands that have C-mount ports, you can put our CRISP system there. All of this is run with our controller that just responds to regular serial commands and computer commands, and it can be controlled with USB or RS-232. And that's our product. So it can be used for, we've sold these systems to people doing super resolution microscopy, where they want to kind of build their own scope. We've also sold these systems to people doing high throughput scanning, where they want to have a specific application in mind and wish to sort of build their own stand based on their application. So it's often for specialized applications.